Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my pajamas, and the reason why is because I just spent the day recording a lot of videos and it's time for me to wind down. So first thing I do obviously is I put my pajamas on, but now I kind of want to wash my face, and that is why we are making this video, because I ordered something online that I've been seeing going around for a little while now, and it has to do with makeup removal, and I wanted to see if it worked. So that's why we are here. So let me show you what I ordered. This is what I ordered, and this is from the brand Coshine. Now the actual brand that I think, like, don't quote me on this, I might be wrong, but the brand that kind of like launched this idea was called Face Halo, I believe. Yeah, so the name of the brand that first kind of like got this going, I guess, was named Face Halo. It looks almost exactly like this, except they were a little bit more expensive. So I decided to go on and get this brand, which is called Coshine, and this was from Amazon. I believe you could also get the Face Halo ones from Amazon, but I wanted to see if these worked. They had very good reviews. Okay, so it comes with 3 pieces. It is from Coshine. 63 people reviewed this and it got 4.5 stars. So almost 5 stars, seems great to me. So we're gonna try it. And basically what this is supposed to do is, it's a cookie puff face eraser removing cleaning puff. So it's a microfiber fabric material, and you're supposed to soak it in clean water and pour the puff on the part that needs to remove makeup for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you wipe it off, and you just keep doing that repeatedly until all your makeup comes off. So it's soft, it's supposed to be like elastic feeling, skin friendly, and it's hydroscopic. So we're gonna take this out of the bag. It's supposed to be gentle enough for like sensitive skin and also skin with rosacea. It's supposed to remove all makeup, including waterproof mascara, oils, daily pollutants, only with water. So you can use this up to 200 times, and you can wash them like by hand wash, or you just throw them into your laundry. So I thought this would be cool. It helps you save money on constantly having to order new wipes or micellar water like I do to take off my makeup. It's literally just warm water and this cloth. It also comes with like a little tag thing that you can like hang it in your bathroom to dry. So that was kind of cool. And it is very soft and almost like memory foam like inside. So let's go ahead and try this. So I'm gonna take off my glasses. Hopefully I'm in focus. And you know what? I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so let's put my hair out of my face. And my skin, I told you guys this before, but just in case you're new to my videos, my skin gets very red very quickly, and it's just because I have sensitive skin, so I'm not having allergic reactions to anything. If I am, I will let you know, but it goes away. I just get very blotchy when I touch my skin. I'm just sensitive. So, all right, so the first thing I'm going to do is, I personally don't like using like something like this with lipstick, unless it's like a liquid lipstick. I personally would just like using like a makeup wipe or like a towel. I happen to have these because somebody actually bought me these. These are the charcoal detoxifying, exfoliating, and purifying makeup cleansing tissues. They're made from bamboo and charcoal extract, and this is from K Beauty. This is something that someone got me for Christmas, so this is really good at taking off liquid lipsticks, which I do have on, and I have a lip gloss on top of it. So I just kind of like taking that off with this personally. For the sake of this video, I think I am gonna just take the rest of my makeup off with this, just because that's what it's supposed to be known for. So whatever, I'm going to soak it. I have here some warm water in a bowl, so I'm just gonna soak it. And we're gonna see if it works. Both sides look the same, so you have this whole side and then this whole side, so it should be able to take off all my makeup. What? Okay, so I told you guys I just had liquid lipstick on. It took it completely off, like really fast. All right, the true test for me, because I do feel it's gonna take off all of my makeup like on my face. But anyway, like I was saying, I do feel like it's going to take off the makeup on my face. But the true test is gonna be my eye makeup because it's really hard to get off mascara and like all that stuff. I'm interested to see if that's gonna work. Okay, so it looks like my eyeliner came off. Definitely mascara came off. And again, I'm pretty sure this would be a lot easier if you were doing this in your bathroom because I'm trying not to get the water everywhere. But in your bathroom, you'd be a little bit more free to like work over your sink. So far, I find that it is easy to get like in certain corners of my face and wow. All right, so this whole half of my face is basically done. And as you guys can see, it completely took off pretty much everything. But the real test that I'm going to do is after I completely take off all my makeup, I'm gonna go over my face again with one of the charcoal wipes to see how much is left over on it. Because to me, that's the true test. Like, this looks like it's getting off a lot of makeup, but is it getting everything off? Is this something that I'm logically going to be able to use every night when I come home to take off my makeup and feel like my face is clean? I don't know. So let's continue and see what happens. I'm pretty sure I got off everything. Like, this is my real first time using this, so, and I'm also not working in my bathroom, like I said. I'm like in a weird area, so I'm trying not to let the water drip, so it's a little awkward. But, okay, first impressions, I think it got everything off. I'm feeling my eyelashes, and I'm not getting any black on my fingers how I normally would. I'm actually really shocked about that because the mascara that I use is not waterproof. I don't like waterproof mascara because they work and it's horrible to take them off every single day. I think it's harsh on your lashes and your eye area, so I just use a normal one, which on me personally, I can cry with it, I can do pretty much anything and it doesn't like come down on my face. Obviously, if I was gonna go in like a pool or something like that, I wouldn't wear it. But throughout the day, it doesn't like flake on me or anything. But it is hard to get it off sometimes, and it got everything off. So I'm pretty shocked. You can see how dirty this is. I'm also interested to see what this looks like after I wash it. Like, is it going to be as white again? Probably not, but as long as it's clean and I can keep using it, that's my concern. So let's do the true test. And I'm gonna take a wipe from the bag, a clean one, because I know I used the other one before, but this is a clean one. And I'm gonna go over my face and see if anything is left over. This actually feels really nice on your face if you're looking for a makeup wipe. It's like really hydrating. Okay, so that is the result. To be honest, I can't see from where I'm sitting. There's not really much on there. I see like a tiny bit, but yeah, I see like a tiny bit on here, but it's really not anything that's normally like left over on your face when you first take your makeup off before you cleanse your skin. So I have to give this an approval. I can't believe it actually worked as well as I thought it was gonna work. I don't know, I just felt like just like taking any microfiber cloth or whatever sponge, wetting it with just water and putting it all over your face doesn't take your makeup off, but something about this does. I didn't put any micellar water on this or any type of makeup remover. It was just water and it worked. So I'm really surprised and I'm gonna be saving a lot of money. So I'm really happy about that. But I also didn't take off the makeup on my neck. I did want to just save that so you guys can see how well these wipes worked. because it's nice to have like a nice little wipe to put down. I mean, you could also do it with the sponge because that's also nice and comfortable. But you can see a little bit more is on there because I had like a little bit of bronzer. So it's nice to take off makeup. So if you're interested in a new wipe, these work really well. And again, these are the charcoal makeup cleansing tissues, and they're from K Beauty. And I believe these were given to me as a gift, but it doesn't say anything about them being like vegan or cruelty free or anything like that. So I'm sorry if they're not, but I do like them. I think that they're nice on the skin. They don't leave my skin feeling sticky or anything like that. My skin just feels normal and hydrated. I do feel like a little bit of tingling on my neck, but I don't feel irritated. I just feel like it's something new. My skin has to get used to it. But anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. Coshine, you have my approval. I love this. I really do think it works. And I will be inserting the picture to let you guys know how this washes. If you guys want me to try out anything else on my channel, please let me know. I am going to relax on the couch and probably watch my ghost hunting videos that I've been loving, and that's gonna be the rest of my night. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!
So I'm going to take off whatever's on my neck with these so that you guys can see how well these remove makeup, like I said. I'm actually kind of shocked right now. It's just easier. And I don't even have a mirror to see if it's going to take off everything. I should have to go grab a mirror. What kind of witchcraft is this? Let me just check that, because I don't want to be saying the name of the brand wrong. Okay, my face is so red. I'm really happy about that. I will be inserting the picture